Hi, my friend Susanna here with Power Moves for Longevity. Today we will be doing the Strong Bones Challenge movements of stomp, hop, and jump. These are moves, power moves to train our muscles to accelerate. They're also excellent for building bone density. So let's do this together. It'll be a short session. I'm doing it outside, hoping it doesn't rain. There's definitely bugs around, but I do like to do these moves in general when I'm on my walk as interval training. So it's kind of an outdoor sort of a situation. But I'm going to use a nice stable chair here to demonstrate one of our moves. So, are you ready? Let's begin with 1 minute of stomping, beginning right now. So lift up your legs high, let the arms swing, opposite arm with leg, and you want to have the integrity of your core, great posture, and come down as hard as you like to get the bone density benefit. So we'll stomp for a minute today. Stomp, stomp, stomp. I am engaging my abdominals. I am breathing, and I am giving a little vibration with each foot landing. Keep it up, keep it up. 1 minute. Lift, lift. Okay, we're almost there. Stomp away. And okay, that's about a minute of stomping. Take a moment, allow yourself to rest a little bit, cool down. Next up, hopping. So we'll be hopping on 2 feet, and when you land, you would like your knees to be going in the same direction as your toes. Many of us have a tendency to be knock-kneed, especially upon landing, not good, and some might even go out to the sides. Also, not great alignment for your knees. So, consciously think when you come down after a hop that the knees are straight ahead. And in my case, I'm a little knock-kneed. I actually overcompensate a little bit and go a little bit out to the side. So that's me. You figure out what's safe and appropriate for your joints, and we'll start with the variation using support. So this way there's a little bit of weight, can be in your arms. I'm holding on to the back of a stable chair. You could use a counter or a table or nothing at all. But this is my first hopping round of hopping. We'll do 10 hops with the chair, and then we'll try hops with no chair. So ready? Let's go. So feet are hip width apart, and I can lean into my chair a little bit and lift up and come down. Whole foot lands, and I take a look on my knees. They seem to be going straight ahead. Okay, so that was 3, 4, 5, 6. You can push off if you're using a chair and come down a little bit more impactfully. Okay, let's do 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent. That was approximately 10 hops using the support of a chair, and now hops, no chair. I often do these on my walk with Ellie. Ellie's around. Hey, come on, Ellie. Come say hi. Ellie, come over. So I thought y'all might want to say hi to Ellie. So when I walk the dog and she's sniffing around, I'll do some interval hopping. Okay, so with the feet hip width apart, nice and grounded, I'm going to consciously keep my knees going straight as I land on my entire foot. Okay, and up I go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last 1. Okay, I'll step it out. Excellent. Next up, jump downs. All right, so I have a step here. I could also demonstrate this for you. I often do it on my actual steps, which is a little more of a land. So you find a step that feels safe and appropriate for you. And you can also just go back to regular hopping, because this is hopping down off a step. And I will do 10. 1, 2, this is where I need to be super aware of keeping my knees going straight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, so that's it. Stomping, hopping, and jumping down. You might repeat this sequence. You might do this several times in a day or every other day. So it's really important to do these movements, which help to train your muscles to move. Something that we start to lose as we age. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are a member of the Strong Bones Challenge Facebook group, you can go below and let us know how this video inspired you to do the challenge this month. And if you are not yet a member, you could request to join the Strong Bones Challenge Facebook group. Also, I have many videos on this channel that are safe to do if you have low bone density. So I'd love it if you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel, Forever Yoga with Susanna. Go ahead and hit subscribe. And everyone, give me a thumbs up, a like. You know how much I appreciate your likes. So thanks, and I will see you. I'm gonna keep my knees straight ahead, not knock-kneed, in the next video. And before I go, I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you what Ellie's doing over here, eating some grass. Ellie, what are you doing? You eating some grass? Where's Ellie? There she is. Ellie, say goodbye to our Strong Bones friends. Have an awesome day, everyone. Namaste.